Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to generate password, and now we need to go to my website jd19.website. uh, we need to go to page generate password. Here we need to click to UID type generation of password, and in previous video I showed you how to generate password with changing lowercase to uppercase, how to uh, generate password with changing UID. By default, if UID length is 36 letters or symbols, excuse me, we need to change 4 delimiters. This is delimiters, this is sign minus. Here we can see that sign minus. And now we need to click that button, and now we need to change that 4 by default for by default delimiters to for example letters. And now we need to click generate, and here we can see only letters and lowercase letters and numbers. Now we need to for example change to numbers, and here we can see already instead of delimiters minus, already numbers. If we want to change our delimiters to for example letters, numbers, or special signs, we need to click to all checkboxes, three checkboxes, and after that we need to generate. Click, and here we can see for example, here we can see our special symbol. And if you want to generate another password, and here we can see all is numbers and letters. Here we can see a special sign, and here we can see a special sign. This is all for that lesson. Thank you. Have a nice day.